Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious restaurant beef taco that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious restaurant style beef taco, these are the ingredients. I have salt, black pepper, garlic cloves, Baileys, of course, the cheese, serrano chili, tomatoes, half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, onion, 1 beef chuck roast, lettuce, and tortillas. This is everything we need. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the meat. I have boiling water and I'm going to add 2 pieces of chuck roast. I am going to leave it here for about 30 minutes in high heat, and when all this foam comes up, we are going to remove it. Once you remove all the foam from the top, then you're ready to add your piece of onion, your garlic clove, your Baileys, salt to taste, and black pepper. We are going to cover it and we're going to cook it for about 3 hours in medium high heat. Look at this. After the 3 hours, look at this. The meat is so tender that even falls apart. Look at this, nice and soft. And of course, those drippings, that juice we are going to use. We are going to make our salsa with that amazing juice. I'm adding my tomatoes, my chile serrano. I'm going to add my piece of onion, and the 2 garlic cloves I'm going to reserve. I'm going to cook it for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And let me show you the meat. Look how easy you pull it apart. It's really moist, really tender, and like I said, it's fork tender, and it pulls apart very easily. Okay, of course, look at this. The aroma of the meat, amazing. And let me show you what I'm going to use for my restaurant style tacos. I have the tortillas, extra large corn tortillas, the cheese, the lettuce, and of course the meat. I am going to take the tortillas to the microwave in this little baggie so they get nice and soft and flexible. So let me take it to the microwave. And here the tomatoes are ready. I am going to take them out, put them in my blender cup. Of course, I'm going to add my onion and my chile serranos. And then I am going to sift the liquid. I want to remove everything and I just want the liquid. I'm not going to add any salt because remember we added salt to the meat, and this salsa has a lot of character. The flavor is just amazing. Remember, we cooked it with the drippings of the meat. Now that the tortillas are flexible, are soft, are warm, then we are ready to assemble our tacos. Look, they're nice and flexible and they're nice and hot. I'm going to put them aside. They're really hot, and now I am ready. Be very generous with your filling. You want these tacos to be amazing and delicious. And if you got to this point of the video and you like it and you love it, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you are part of my family, and Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. In this pan, I have just a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to go ahead and start adding my tacos. I just want the shell
of the tortilla to get nice and crispy. You decide how crispy you want them, but I really love when they're crispy and you bite into it. Oh my gosh, you're not gonna flip them too many times, just once, and then when you come back after 2-3 minutes, you're ready to remove them from the oil. Of course, I'm gonna have a dish on the side so I could take the excessive oil out, a dish with a rack so that all the excessive oil comes out. And I'm gonna continue making the rest. Let me tell you, these tacos come out amazing. I'm gonna continue making the rest, and let me show you the rack and where I have my crispy tacos. We love eating tacos here at home, and even if they are nice and crispy. Look at this. I have a rack on the bottom, so we're removing all the excessive oil, and now I am ready to build up my taco. I'm gonna get the crispy taco. I'm gonna open it. I'm going to add and be very generous with the cheese and the salad and the lettuce. I get all excited when I'm making my tacos, and the salsa really comes out, oh my gosh, amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing restaurant style taco. You're going to love it. Your family is really going to enjoy it. My mouth, it's already watering. I can't wait to enjoy. Look at this. Well, this is the last one. Be generous with your cheese and your lettuce, and of course your salsa right on the top. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Look at this. Amazing restaurant tacos.
Hi friends, I am completely done with this amazing restaurant style tacos. Of course, I'm adding some salsa, and this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing taco. Excuse me. Delicious. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing restaurant style tacos. They came out perfect. See you soon. Bye-bye.